Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Traeger Grills Ironwood 650. Make sure you watch until the end to find our final verdict on whether this grill is worth it. Traeger Grills Ironwood 650 Overview. If you need a traditional grill that incorporates advanced technology, you should check out the Ironwood 650. This is a user-friendly grill that you can use to prepare barbecue in your backyard. It's versatile since you can also use it to roast, sear, smoke, grill, or even bake foods. The pellet grill is powered by electricity, but uses wood pellets as fuel. To use it, you should fill the hopper with pellets, then set the temperature and let it grill. Since it has a hopper capacity of 20 pounds, it saves you from constantly refilling. The use of wood pellets in this grill also enables you to prepare meals that have delicious flavors. Since the grill is made with D2 direct drive technology, it's designed to deliver superior smoke production. It offers precision temperature control since it features an internal meat probe that allows you to monitor it without opening its lid. You can adjust this grill's smoke levels or heat using Traeger's Wi-Fi app or control panel. Would you like to cook for a lot of people? If so, you will appreciate this grill's cooking surface area, which is around 650 square inches. It also features a variable speed fan which enhances smoke and heat circulation in the chamber, leading to even cooking. The grill also has an ash trap that prevents you from lots of cleaning after grilling. What we liked. It cooks delicious meals. The grill has easy-to-use controls. It is solidly constructed. Includes numerous accessories. It heats up quickly. What we didn't like. It does not include a pellet sensor. Has a high price tag. Traeger Grills Ironwood 650 specifications. From the table, you can tell that this grill offers enough room for cooking lots of food at a go. For instance, you can smoke even 6 chickens on it at one time. You could also set it to either low or high temperature. Features. Design. You can avoid flare-ups common in charcoal grills by choosing this pellet grill. Rather than using charcoal or gas, this grill uses pellet grills. Since the interior of this grill contains double-sided walls, you can use it in different weather conditions. The walls are designed to help it retain heat regardless of outdoor temperature. And since this is a big grill, you may need assistance setting it up. Technology. Traeger grills stand out due to the use of advanced technologies. This specific model uses TurboTemp and D2 driver technology. It can therefore give you more control over temperature as you prepare different meals. The TurboTemp technology utilizes a multi-speed fan. Wireless connectivity. Have you ever smoked meat using a smartphone? If not, you'll be amazed at what the Ironwood 650 grill can do. Since this model features wireless connectivity, you can control it through a tablet or a smartphone. If you use Alexa, you could also give the grill commands. You can use such devices to control the temperature. Having Wi-Fi on a grill can come in handy when you're cooking for a long time and you'd like to multitask. You can do this through the Traeger app on your device. This app also contains numerous recipes that you can try from time to time. When you come across a recipe you can send the cooking instructions to the grill through the app without manually turning any dials. Verdict. Should you get the Traeger Grill Ironwood 650? Yes. Though this grill is heavy, you should consider getting it since it delivers excellent performance in smoking, grilling, and roasting. It's also worth considering since it's equipped with so many useful features that make meal preparation a breeze. Who is the Traeger Grills Ironwood 650 best suited for? If you enjoy grilling and don't mind paying a little more to get quality pellet grill, Ironwood 650 is perfect for you. It's also ideal for large families that enjoy grilled foods. Are there any alternatives? The best alternative for this grill is the Ironwood 885. Though this has similar features to the Ironwood 650, it offers more cooking space. Another alternative is the Timberline 1300. Though this also uses D2 drive technology, it is more expensive than the Ironwood 650. Did you like the features of the Ironwood 650 grill? Are you considering getting it? Feel free to share with us by leaving a comment below. Also, remember to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future.